Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So in this video we'll understand lambda functions with easy programs. So a lambda function in Python is a small one-liner anonymous function. Unlike normal function made using def, lambda functions are quick, short and used for simple tasks like squaring a number, adding two values, filtering a list, sorting data. So let's understand this. So the first one is square of a number using lambda function. So here square, we create a variable named square, and lambda function, this means the function takes one input x and x into x, this is the logic, and print will print the function, will call and print the function, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output of the number square is printed. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is add two numbers using lambda function. So for this we'll create a variable add and we'll use lambda. So here lambda a and b takes two inputs a and b, and a plus b adds both values, and at last we print both the values, and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the added output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is check even or odd using lambda. So here we are given a condition that if x divided by 2 is 0, then even, else it will print odd. And now we'll see its output. So here we can see as 9 is an odd number, so it printed odd. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is double every number in a list. So for this, firstly we'll create a list here. Now we'll define a variable result and we'll double every element of this. So here this map method applies a function to every item and lambda doubles each value, and at last we print the result. And now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output that it doubled every element present in the list. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is filter even numbers using lambda. So firstly we are defining a list here and we'll filter even numbers from the list. So here we are using the filter method. So this will filter the even number and print it. So, and here this list converts the result into the list, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output of even numbers in the list. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is sort a list using lambda function. So here we are taking the name as a list and we'll create a list of names. So here we have taken a list of names and now we'll sort the list. So in this, the key is equals to lambda method. This sorts based on length of a name and shorter names comes first, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output that shorter name comes first. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is multiply two numbers directly. So we'll use lambda method in just one line and directly we'll multiply two numbers. And now we'll see its output. So here we can see the multiplication. So lambda creates function and 4, 5 calls it immediately, and output is printed directly. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is find maximum of two numbers. So in this compares a and b and always returns the bigger number. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see as the bigger number was 15, so it printed 15. So in this video we learned that lambda functions are short and fast, written in one line, used with map, filter, sort, and they are very best for logic. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.